Are you wondering why your paycheck disappears so fast? The 50-30-20 budget rule is a simple way to manage money without stress. Let's break it down in just 2 minutes. What is the 50-30-20 rule? This rule divides your after-tax income into 3 categories. 50% needs, essentials like rent, food, and bills. 30% wants, entertainment, shopping, and fun. 20% savings and debt repayment, emergency fund, investments, and extra debt payments. It's a balanced approach that ensures you cover necessities, enjoy life, and build wealth. 50% covering your needs. Half of your income goes to must-have expenses, including rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation, minimum debt payments. 30% spending on wants. This is for things that aren't essential but make life enjoyable, like streaming services, dining out, hobbies, and shopping, travel, and entertainment. 20% building your future. The final 20% should go toward savings, build an emergency fund, investments, grow your money over time, debt repayment, pay off loans faster, take control of your money. Today, the 50-30-20 rule makes budgeting simple and stress-free, so you can live within your means, enjoy life without guilt,